Hello students, to our first lecture of genetic engineering. In this lecture, we will going to describe about the introduction of the genetic engineering and know about the how the transgenic plants are produced by this technique. This technique that means genetic engineering. So we will start about the first introduction. The genetic engineering is also called the genetic manipulation and also known as genetic modification. It is the direct manipulation of organisms gene using the biotechnology. This is the process. Genetic engineering is a set of technology used to change the genetic makeup of the cell, including the transfer of gene within a cross species boundaries to produce the improved or novel organism. इम्प्रूव्ड या फिर मतलब कि एक्स्ट्रा जो भी वेराइटीज एक्स्ट्रा जो जीन्स एडअप हो जाते हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के अंदर एंड नोवल नोवल दैट मीन्स कोई भी न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म प्रोड्यूस होना किसी पर्टिकुलर जीन की हेल्प से the improved and novel organisms which are produced by या फिर through the genetic engineering technique. These organisms are called the genetic modified organism, and in short we will also said that GMOs. The first GMO produced in 1973 by the scientists Herbert Bayer and the Stanley Cohen. The genetic engineering, it is a process that alters the genetic structure of the organism by either removing or introducing DNA. दैट मीन्स कि जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग क्या होती है, एक प्रोसेस होती है जिसकी हेल्प से किसी भी पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, द ऑर्गेनिज्म विच मे बी एनी प्लांट, एनी एनिमल, एनी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, उसका क्या क्या हो सकता है, सारा का सारा जो कंप्लीट जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो चेंज हो जाता है. कोई भी पर्टिकुलर डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट को रिमूव करके उसको हटा के या फिर किसी भी पर्टिकुलर जो अननोन डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट है उसके अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस करके या फिर ऐड करके. सेकेंड थिंग, genetic engineering is an important tool in the research that allow the function of the specific gene to be studied. In this technique, the desired DNA fragment and the chromosomal fragment can be introduced directly into the host organism or cell. That is, the fuse hybridized with the host DNA fragment and form the recombinant copy, chimeric, and hybrid through the following technique. In the genetic engineering, two methods can be used: direct method and indirect method. In case of direct method, we will use the following technique. The first one is the microinjection, second is the macroinjection, third is the electroporation, fourth is the chemical method like that PAG, this is the polyethylene glycol, particle gun method also known as the ballistic method, and lipofunction. But in case of the indirect method, the procedure like that, we will firstly take the genetic material from the unknown species या फिर another species, and the DNA of the unknown species transfer into the any cloning vehicle या फिर vector which may be any plasmid, cosmid, any phase virus, and then form the R copy, R which indicate the recombinant copy, and the fragment of this R copy's DNA transform into the host cell like the E. coli, E. coli, and form after that formation of the new या फिर novel organism and get replicate autonomously and multiplication copies. So the plants and animals or organisms that have been changed through the genetic engineering and called the GMO, that stand for the genetic modified organism. If the genetic material of the unknown या फिर another species transfer to the host cell and producing the organisms, these producing organisms are known as the transgenics. In case of the plants, these novel producing plants are known as the transgenic plants, but in case of the animals, these novel producing organisms या फिर animals known as the transgenic animals.